not like Dentist UK. Back home in the UK, you try and get a doctor or dental appointment, impossible. Over here, if you're going to come to Turkey, just come to Myra. Honestly, I recommend 1000%. Fantastic. So confident. I will. My name is Craig. I am from South Wales, which is in UK, in a town called Neath. So I'm not sure if anyone knows where that is, but it's near the Gower in Swansea. So I did research for 2 years, and with looking feedback and recommendation, I chose Myra Dental Clinic. But back home in the UK, I wasted so much money having bridge work, fill-ins, root canals. So coming out to Turkey, it is a big decision. But I recommend it to anyone, just if you want your teeth done. The service, the staff here, and the aftercare is absolutely amazing. And the clinic is just spotless. Amazing. Absolutely fantastic. I'm actually scared of the dentist, so coming out here gave me the confidence I had. I was nervous having the implant surgery. It was 4 hours in total having the implants fitted, but I wasn't sedated. I just zoned out. The dentist and the staff just made me feel really safe and comfortable. No problems at all, no pain. A little bit of localized swelling the next day, but absolutely no pain at all. I just can't believe the amount of work I had done with sinus lifts, grafting. Fantastic. Back home in UK, you have a fill-in and your face is out here. Here I had 14 implants and fantastic. The temps are absolutely fine. I think it was down to myself mainly biting into things after, because you get so used to it. And also your temps, they are temporary teeth. They're not solid like the crowns. So I did have one problem where one of them snapped, but contacted you guys, jumped on a flight cheap for the weekend and all sorted. Communication, absolutely fantastic. The aftercare here is amazing. You just give someone a WhatsApp message and they get back to you straight away. Just can't fault it. Fantastic. The service and aftercare is absolutely amazing. Not just talking about my dental work, but while out in Turkey, I'd message for recommendations where to go for food, where to go out and everything, and they'd get back to me straight away. I think I got on their nerves a little bit, mind. Contacting them all the time. All I can say is all the staff here have been absolutely fantastic. It's like I've made friends for life. The communication has been amazing from day one. Prior to first when I come out here messaging, till I came out here in March, and the last 10 months has just been amazing. I would just recommend, if you want your teeth done, just come to Turkey. I know people talk about Turkey teeth and everything, but highly recommend come out here. Just have the confidence and it'll just make you fantastic. And come to Myra.